Hey, welcome to a new build. As you see, we're going to be making a beautiful walking stick out of butternut, maple, a little bit of a detail here, and a maple shaft. We're going to be doing a little bit of pattern work, some chisels, some V-gouges, and some chisels. And I'm going to show you step by step on how this one's created, so stay tuned. So a few weeks ago, I went over to, in Ottawa, KJP Select Hardwoods. They had a customer appreciation event and picked up a box of what they call thins. Basically, it's their offcuts, but it's perfect for what I need. Lots of walnut, some quilted maple. This seems to be perhaps butternut. Nice piece of hard maple. Some thins, some smaller sections, but what they call offcuts, I call opportunity for walking sticks. There's a nice piece of, I believe that's mahogany. So certainly we can make something out of that. I'm thinking this piece is quite nice to make a nice handle. So let's get going on that. So while that's drying, let's focus on the stick. Got a nice piece of maple. Beautiful, still sound. Good length. We're going to take the bark off. Only a few little nubbins to take care of, but nice solid stick. Let's get going on this one. So it looks like we've finalized sanding. Believe this is butternut and maple. Did a little design here, a little see-through. All on a maple stick, and did a little pattern using the little bent chisels and the V-groove tool from Forged Steel Tools that sent me a little while ago. Just wanted to see what little textures we could make, and I think that adds a little something to the shaft. All down to a very thin 5/8 rubber foot. Comfortable in the hand, very lightweight. And what we're going to be doing is something a little different. We have boiled linseed oil. We're going to use that as a finish. Takes a little longer to dry than the teak oil that I normally do, but I want to see how it turns out on this nice wood. So let's get going. Beautiful. Goes on a little thicker than teak oil, but brings out the grain just as well. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Does spread better than the teak oil. Seems to extend a little bit further. Brings out the grain on that maple too. Look at that. Beautiful. Make those patterns pop though. Very nice.